Many of us have a low-end PC. Now, before you think about upgrading your PC, watch this first. Most people blame their old PC when Windows 11 starts lagging. But the real problem might be a few settings that are slowing everything down. So in this video, I will show you the exact tricks that can help you unlock better performance and make your PC feel much more responsive. We are going to follow these steps, or we are going to do these modifications in our settings of the PC so that we can bring out the best possible output and optimize our PC's performance. So without further ado, let's just directly jump into it. Okay, so first things first, we are going to open our settings. So for that, we are going to click on this Windows icon and go to our settings. But if you can't find your settings in here, you can just click on the search bar and then type here settings, and the settings option will pop up. So I'm going to click on here. So this is my settings dashboard, and in here at the upper top corner you can see another search bar which is inside the settings dashboard. Now our first modification, fix advanced settings. So for that we are going to type here view advanced settings, system settings. So if I click on it, a window will pop up which is very small. Here you can see small tabs such as computer name, hardware, advanced, etc. So under this advanced tab you will see performance section. Click on the settings button of this performance section. Now a lot of options will pop up. You just need to click on this button and set the settings to adjust for best performance. Then click on apply and then OK. So your PC will now try to adjust its performance for the best output. Now coming to our next step, the next change, that is change the power settings. So inside our settings again we are going to type power settings. Okay, so you can see that power action settings, I'm going to click on it. Now there is another option called power mode in here, and there is a drop down option here. If I click on it, it will show me three options. Instead of balance, I am now going to select best performance. So what it will do is, instead of providing you a balanced performance, it will always try to give the best performance that aligns with your system specifications. Okay, so moving on to our next modification, that is clean storage. For this again we are going to type in here storage, and you can see the first option, that is storage settings. Click on it. It is going to ask for your admin approval, so we are just going to click yes. Okay, so under this section there is a storage management section, and under that there is cleanup recommendation. We are going to clean up recommendations. Okay, so under this temporary files you will see another option named as see advanced settings. If you click on it, then you will see that there is another wide variety of options which is saying you that you have 2.12 GB of temporary files. What you can do is you can just simply click on remove files and all these temporary files will get deleted, and it will not do any harm to your storage because these are already temporary files that are running in the background. So it would help optimize your performance to a great extent. Okay, so now moving on to our next step, that is remove unnecessary applications. Okay, so again in our search bar we are going to type add or remove. So you can see the first option that pops up is add or remove programs. We are going to click on it. Now what you can see here is all the installed apps that are that you have installed in your computer. Now you can just uninstall any apps that you don't currently use. Say for example, I'm just going to I don't basically play these games in my computer. So if I just click on uninstall, it would just remove this app from my PC. So unnecessary apps are not getting installed in my PC anymore, and it will optimize your storage of the PC as well. Okay, so moving on to our next modification, that is disable startup apps. Again, in the search bar, we are going to search for startup apps. Startup apps. Okay, so we are already seeing the option here. We are going to click on it. Now what is an startup app? Let me just brief you shortly. That is, when you turn on your PC, there are some applications that get turned on automatically. So there is a status here. We can sort it by name, and there we can sort it by status. So you can see that I have enabled these three options, that is my Windows security notification icon, another app, and another app. So what these apps are doing is they are automatically getting turned on when I am turning on my computer. So we can just disable some of this so that unnecessary apps that we don't use don't just automatically get turned on when we turn on our PC. So just to demonstrate you, I'm going to disable it. So then this app WhisperFlow will not get automatically turned on when I turn on my PC. Okay, so moving on to our next modification, that is fix transparency. Now for transparency, we are going to type here transparency, and we will get transparency effects. We are going to click on it. Then under this transparency effects, you will see a toggle button here, and it will show on by default. What you are going to do is you are going to turn it off. What basically happened is there are many transparency effects. You just saw that this taskbar just changed its color. So it doesn't use unnecessary PC specifications to decorate your interface of the computer. Okay, and moving on to our final modification, that is the Windows Update. So for Windows Update, we are going to go to our home in this setting, and you will see that finally there is a Windows Updates button here. If you click on it, then my Windows is already up to date, but what you can do is you can click on this button to check for updates. If I click on this button, it would check for updates whether my Windows is lagging behind the latest version or not. So if it shows you that there is any update available, you can just click on update, and the Windows will automatically update to its latest version. Yes, so that was it for today. So try out these tricks and watch your PC transform into a fast and smoother device. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment with your results as well. I would love to hear from you. Take care. Goodbye.